Hello! Welcome to Binky's Budols, a brand new series where I tell you about products I see or want or buy or want to buy and basically convince you to buy them too. Today we're talking about a keyboard from Royal Kludge. This is the KZZI K75 Pro Plus mechanical keyboard. Side note, it's so pretty. This took about 3 days to get to my house from when it shipped out, and it was wrapped in about 4 layers of plastic wrap, which was kind of really hard to take out, all of it, but also thank you because my package was well packaged. Took me a while to get it out though. As you can see, I was so happy to finally get it out of the packaging, but surprisingly the box was kind of broken. Also, that was my boyfriend saying hello. It didn't really matter because the keyboard was fine. I think it's just the box itself that was a little damaged. It also came with this paper full of keys, function keys, keys you could press to change the lighting modes. I proceeded to throw this away because I just wanted to see the keyboard. Look at it! It's so pretty. Now in the box itself, it comes with some extras. It comes with this really cute pink Type-C to USB wire that you can use to charge your keyboard or charge other things that are Type-C, like your phone. It also comes with 4 extra switches and 4 extra keycaps. It also comes with this keycap switch puller that's like really sturdy and metal looking, and it's also labeled KZZI, which is really cute. Now we're finally opening it for the first time. These are genuine reactions, by the way, because the keyboard is so pretty.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
Now this is the KZZI in comparison to my Pro 2 keyboard. Now the Pro 2 is a 60%, while the KZZI is a 75% keyboard. It also comes with 3 input thingies, jacks. I don't know what these are called, but you could plug in a USB and 2 Type-C cords, wires. It's so pretty, look at it. It also has this little screen right here, and I peel the plastic off because it's so satisfying. Now you can switch between modes with this knob right here. You can switch from it being turned off to the 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth connection to the 5 gigahertz Bluetooth connection. Now this is me turning it on for the first time. It's so pretty, and the little screen actually displays the battery percentage, so you don't have to keep guessing, you know, if your keyboard is dying, which is something I always do, to be honest with you. Little segue, everything is so well made. Even the seal or the binding for this charger is made of leather. It's so cute. But basically, I was trying to see where to plug this. You can plug it in either of the C-type inputs, but basically when you charge your keyboard, it indicates on the little screen that you are charging. And this is the first time I thought about checking the back. So it has these little stand things and a receiver, so if you don't want to connect through Bluetooth or through the Type-C wire, you could just connect the receiver to your laptop or your PC and it connects that way. So this is a good how many minutes of me playing with the lights of this keyboard because I am a child. And I even had to consult with the manual thingy booklet to see how I could change the colors, but there's so many lighting options. I had a lot of fun. Now these are the switches. You can pick from 2 switches, the Moment Linear switches or the Eternity Tactile switches. Now these are the Eternity Tactile because I prefer tactile switches because they sound better in my opinion. But the color is so cute and it gives you 4 extras in the box, as well as this really sturdy keycap key switch puller. I don't know what this is called, but it's cute and it's white and it's very sturdy. It's not like flimsy plastic or anything, but I tried to switch out the keycap and the switch because I've never switched the switch before. It was a really scary experience. I thought I broke it for a minute, but I didn't. Now in the next segment, I will be doing a sound test comparing the KZZI to my Pro 2 keyboard. My Pro 2 actually has Gateron Brown switches, and these are the Eternity Tactile switches, so you can really hear how good it sounds compared to the other one. all I can say is I love this keyboard and I'm recommending it to you. Definitely 10 out of 10. You should check it out, especially if you buy it now, this 11/11, because you're gonna get huge discounts if you do. Now, if you're looking for an upgrade, this is the upgrade. It's a sign. I'm giving you the sign. This keyboard is definitely Binky's Budols approved. Happy 11/11! Bye, everyone!